How to fix Facebook error my singing monsters. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Click on it, you will find now this list. Scroll down and click on storage. Go now to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back it, click on first stop and click OK again. And what you should do right now, you have to go to this option, picture in picture. Make sure that this option is allowed like this, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.